It's raining here at the John Deere Classic, but that's not stopping us from going out and finding something to do and, you know, getting into our second round even though the golfers can't. Well, we're going to play 9 holes out here today, well, or at least one. The weather's not bad. I'd say it's a little bit windier than what I typically like to play in, but for an imaginary round of golf, it should be just fine. First tee. I'm playing a Titleist 1. Yeah, in imaginary golf, it's right down the middle every time. That was a great shot. We're gonna move on. Well, we can't use golf carts on the imaginary tour, but we can use canoes. It's coasting now, I'm just coasting. Apparently my ball didn't go in the fairway. I sliced it a little bit, and without spotters out here, I'm kind of on my own, so I hope there's no poison ivy. It's a 3. Bet you wanted me to fall, didn't you? You know, sometimes on the imaginary tour, your ball can end up in some pretty interesting places. Excuse me, do you have any Grey Poupon? Hi, I'm Dan Tomlin with the Moline Dispatch. Can I ask you a couple questions? Hey, did I hear Michael Jackson died? Shimwow! Alright, I got my stuff. Let's go. Alright. Yeah. That's a good sand save right there. That's how you make par on the first hole at Deere Run. Make it up into the brush, hand wedge out, get over here, get it up on the sand, and nice little one putt. Textbook. Well, the Pro-Am was supposed to be on Wednesday, but apparently it's today because this one looks like it's probably going to be washed out too. Of course, there are still some professionals that don't mind coming out and playing.
Hey! Who was that?
I don't know. We love him. That's who we came out to see.